Hey, Hugh, let's test your attention span. We're gonna sit here for 5 seconds. Okay, so in this video, we are gonna be studying as many birds as we can in a week using Here They book by Stan Techley, I guess. And we're gonna study as many birds as we can in a week, and then after we're gonna go on a recap and we're gonna explain every single species. This is a female American goldfinch. So right here is a mourning dove. They're year-round. This guy's a chipping sparrow. That's an American goldfinch. You can barely see it, but that's a house wren. That's a downy woodpecker pecking at some wood right there. That's a crane. That's another crane. So there's Jeff. He's our neighborhood cardinal. He's my favorite bird. Turkeys. So that's a Canadian goose, but we're in Wisconsin. That's kind of funny. This photo goes crazy. This is a bald eagle and a crow. Some more of Jeff. Can't get enough of him. Red-winged blackbird. We're gonna call you Freddy. Alright, so over there's a goose there, and he's there every day. Our state bird, the American robin. Another pecker of my wood, downy woodpecker. It's a rose-breasted goose beak. I went to a museum. Saw some lions and some tigers, and maybe here and there some bears. It's a black-capped chickadee right there. Well, we're now in northern-ish northeast Wisconsin, and we haven't documented a single bird. Green Bay sucks. Either a common grackle or a common grackly, I don't know. And just one more chipping sparrow for good measure.